Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August 12th, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all the news according to the charts, where everyone else has deserted you on YouTube and not giving you all their price predictions because the market continues to be in a slump. Well, we're here for you all to maintain and show you the daily directional moves of the cryptocurrency space. So we will be your reliable source for getting this pertinent news out to you all, whether the market is going higher, whether the market is going to move lower. We will still come on this particular avenue, this space, to give you the news according to the charts, as well as our price predictions. Now, with all that being said, if you're not a member of ours on our HueFin News Patreon page, then you will not be getting any updates regarding movement into the cryptocurrency space. What we are doing here on YouTube is literally giving you all a snapshot of what the market currently is revealing to us, what it is saying to us as to that particular moment in time. The market is a continual revolving wheel that doesn't stop. It is a 24-hour exchange, so definitely the market can reverse course numerous times throughout the day. So if you are not a member of ours on our HueFin News Patreon page, then again, the link is going to be in the description of this video. You guys can sign up there, and from there you guys have access to all of our exclusive content, or even changes in tone in the market that we see in this space. Now I'm showing you guys coin market cap right now, just to show you the decline in market cap for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. We're below 215 billion, and Bitcoin is still maintaining half of the market share of these cryptocurrencies. Now that definitely tells you that many of the investors in the space are nervous about altcoins, and they are seeing that Bitcoin is a very stable coin within this particular space. Albeit, I am seeing other coins within the cryptocurrency market that are very viable, that will continue to outshine a lot of the other altcoins in the space. So if you can understand where those are, you guys can definitely profit from the movement of those altcoins as well. You can see that Bitcoin is down 0.5%. Let's see, Cardano is down 0.75%, but within the top 10, Litecoin, Stellar, as well as Bitcoin Cash are showing us some slight strength in the market, which is a positive thing for you all to pay attention to, especially since we have been in a severe downtrend over the last 2 or 3 trading days. So definitely you guys want to be observant of those type of coins that are being outliers compared to the majority of the other altcoins that are moving lower on the price charts. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go to the Bitfinex exchange, and we're going to go ahead and go over some altcoins as to what their price predictions will be and where we expected the direction of move to go. First one up is going to be EOS. So you can see that EOS currently is down 5.05%. Last trade was $4.94. Daily price chart for EOS, weakness is very apparent in the market. Stockpile is coming in. You can see long term this currency continues to show us lack of interest in higher prices, and everyone was under the presumption that once EOS launched their mainnet, that this currency was definitely going to shoot higher in price. And what a change from that particular time frame. The market for EOS is still weak, still getting indications of the market for EOS moving to the downside. Ultimately, you can see here on the 18th of March, EOS came all the way down to $4. So again, if EOS breaks this $5 price range, $4.94 price level, then obviously $4 is going to be the next support area. Right now, I don't see a change in tone in the market for EOS. I'm still expecting this currency to move lower in price long term. First area of support is going to be around $4. Ultimately, we could come all the way back down to in or around $3 or $3.50. So I know you guys don't want to hear that, but we are unbiased as to the direction of moves in the market for these altcoins. 3-hour chart for EOS still shows us weakness. I'm still looking for this currency to move to the downside, albeit to $4.80 has been held as support, so we can come down and touch that level and bounce higher from there. But definitely I'm still seeing weakness in EOS. Now, the next one on the list is going to be Litecoin. So Litecoin currently is up 1.6%. Last trade was $59.14. I'm going to quickly look at the daily price chart for Litecoin. And you can tell here that the probable precursors of strength that we got in the market definitely tells us that there's some buyers, sellers in the market for today. Stockpile is still coming in on the daily price chart for Litecoin, so we definitely got some weakness to contend with before we see any huge movement in an upward price in Litecoin. 3-hour chart, again, stockpile is still in the market. Weakness is here. As long as Litecoin stays above $58, $57, then expect continued consolidation, movement higher in price. Okay, now if I was to draw an ascending line, definitely this coin is not breaking that ascension line, so I would be expecting currency to move higher. But I can see that $62 in or around that price has been held as resistance. Might even come up to around 64 throughout trading tomorrow, but right now indications of some slight weaknesses coming in this space, so you have to be cautious because the market can continue to move lower in price. So right now, analysis for Litecoin is continuing consolidation. Ability to move higher is there, but I'm not all that convinced that it's going to move substantially higher in price though. So overwhelmingly, I'm still seeing indication that Litecoin is going to continue to move to the downside too. Next one on the list is going to be Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is down 1.6%. Last trade, $6,296.30. Going to quickly move over to a daily price chart. And you can see here that Bitcoin is giving us some indication that it wants to move higher, but there's still some weakness on the daily price chart. So we're not out the woods yet for this currency to continue to move lower. It has held $6,000 multiple times as support though. So we are finding an area of support in Bitcoin, at least momentarily. 3-hour chart real quick, I'm still seeing indications of some market weakness, so I'm not convinced that Bitcoin is going to move substantially higher in price. As long as we stay above $6,200, I'm confident in stating that Bitcoin will continue to move higher and within consolidation to where that's going to be held as support. Resistance is going to be around $6,400, even $6,500. So just keep that in mind in Bitcoin. So definitely I'm still seeing weakness on the chart in Bitcoin. I'm not necessarily convinced that it's going to move a lot higher in price. Just be careful. I did tell you, as long as we stay above $6,200, expect continued consolidation and movement higher. But the moment that we break that price, my analysis changes. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing indications of weakness coming in the market for Bitcoin. So now let's take a look at basic attention token, BAT. You can see that this currency is down 1 penny, 6.26%. Last trade was around 20 cents, almost 21 cents. Okay, daily price chart for BAT definitely shows you that this currency is not giving us any indications of some movement higher in price. We have been bouncing between a consolidation area of 16 cents all the way back up towards 30 cents. Okay, so that is that consolidation range that you need to pay attention to in BAT. Weakness is still here though, so I'm not that convinced that this currency is ready for higher prices. Let's take a look at the 6-hour chart real quick, and again, I'm still seeing weakness in the market for BAT. I'm not expecting this currency to move higher at all, not right now. Now, what's next on the list? Last one is going to be Bitcoin Cash. So you can see that Bitcoin Cash is almost up 1%. Last trade was $574.24, and we are finding some slight indications of some strength in Bitcoin Cash at this particular moment, which is a very pretty good sign to see. We are trading around the huge support area that we saw in the beginning half of April. Definitely Bitcoin Cash can come all the way down to the lows that we saw during August, the ending half of August 2017 time frame. around $525, even $500. I can see the market coming down in Bitcoin Cash. Right now, still expecting the market overall long term for Bitcoin Cash to continue to move lower. Although the 3-hour chart, you all can see here where resistance is. It is at $580. If Bitcoin Cash cannot break that price, then expect continuation movement to the downside. And I'm still seeing weakness coming in around $580. So we're not out the woods yet for Bitcoin Cash moving lower. Granted, if we can break $580, then definitely that tells us that the market for Bitcoin Cash is still giving us strength, and you would expect the market to at least come up to around $590 or $600. But right now, we're still going through that process, so I'm still patient until we're able to break $580 on expecting consolidation and movement lower. Once we break that 580, I'm expecting a movement in Bitcoin Cash to go higher. So that's all I got for today. Like I said, if you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis or even staying up to date on the movement in the cryptocurrency space, come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page. The link is going to be in the description of the video. In the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability. See you all later.